Are you tired of settling for mediocrity and the comfort of remaining the same? Are you ready to confront your fears, fight for what you want, and chase your dreams? Change is tough, but it's possible. As you mature, the world won't become easier. You'll have more responsibilities and expectations placed on you. But the truth is, you can do hard things. As long as there's breath in your lungs, there's hope in your heart. Don't just work a job to pay bills and survive. Raise the bar, challenge yourself, and decide to live an expanded vision of yourself. I know you have a dream, and you're going somewhere. Keep a no-excuse mentality, and the sky is your starting point. You have the power to create the life you want. Every day, sell yourself on the possibility of what you can achieve. If you want to go somewhere you've never been, you must do something you've never done. Say something you've never said, and go to a place in you that you've never even been. You're not sentenced to this life. You chose it. You have a destiny to fulfill, a purpose to walk into, and a past to test. You must connect the dots, walk in the rules, stand on the stages, and sit down at the tables. But to do that, you need to put a new mind in you. Restructure your thinking, and believe that you can win. Comfort is equivalent to complacency, and it's not always about the accomplishment. You have the right to be uncommon, seek opportunity, take calculated risks, dream, build, fail, and succeed. You can't doubt yourself, because when you doubt yourself, you can't get anything done. Life is too short to make excuses. You have one shot, one opportunity to come this way. Don't doubt yourself. Believe in your ability to win. You're a game changer and a change agent. You're willing to confront any part of you that's not speaking to your highest self. So, let's live a life where we're determined to confront ourselves, have conflict resolution inside ourselves, and live a life where we wake up every day determined to be the best version of ourselves. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without